Welcome to the DualShield pre-installation training video. In this video you'll learn how to prepare an Active Directory user account that provides the necessary task access privileges that are required by DualShield in order to perform two-factor authentication. DualShield is capable of performing most of the tasks that are required of it and requires no additional access rights other than those it would receive by default as a domain user. There are, however, three optional features of the software that, if used, would require additional task access privileges to be designated. The optional features are lock and unlock of user accounts, enabling and disabling user accounts, and the ability to change and reset user passwords. First, we need to create an account with domain user rights in the folder Users. From the Service Manager dashboard, select Tools, then select the option Users and Computers. This causes a window to open up, which we select the folder named Users. Right-click on the folder named Users, then select New, then the option User. We'll now supply a username. For this purpose we'll put DualShield. And we can copy and paste DualShield into the user logon name. Click on Next, and we can supply a password that's compliant with your company's security policy. We now confirm the password and uncheck User must change password at next logon. Now can press Next and Finish. Having created our user, we now have to go back to the folder and we are going to right-click Properties and add this user as a security manager. We now select the Security tab and add the new user. That's added the new user, so we can apply the change and click on the Advanced button. The user account has now been created. We need to provide it with additional permissions that are necessary for the additional properties and permissions the user account will require within the scope of the user's folder. First, we have to click on the Add button. The newly created user has to be selected as a principal for this folder. Click on Select a Principal and supply the username. Against the option Applies To, select the bottom option, Descendant User Objects. Next, in the section headed Permissions, we're going to select Change Password and Reset Password. Having selected those two, we now need to make other selections from the section in Properties. I'm going to select Write Account Restrictions. We continue down to approximately halfway where we've got the Write Lockout Time on the left hand side, and further down on the right we have Write PWD Last Set, with the final one further down on the right, Write User Account Control. And OK and Apply. The changes are now set and we're asked to confirm permissions by clicking on the Yes button. And we've now added all the necessary additional privileges that are required by DualShield. We can safely close the final windows, and we've completed the pre-installation preparations.